A chilling new warning from the FBI has been issued, and it's specifically targeting the West Coast. The threat: potential drone attacks launched by Iran, right here on American soil. An urgent alert, obtained and verified by our team, reveals that Iranian forces are actively planning a potential surprise attack. The primary targets, according to this intelligence bulletin, are unspecified locations within the state of California. The FBI has officially notified and briefed police departments throughout the Golden State to be on high alert for strikes involving unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. This heightened state of vigilance comes as geopolitical tensions in the Middle East continue to escalate dramatically. To break down the specifics of this alarming development, we turn to our chief investigative correspondent. What are the key details behind this Homeland Security warning? We have conducted an in-depth review of the intelligence alert in question. This bulletin was disseminated by the FBI to law enforcement agencies all along the California coastline within the last 2 weeks. The core message is that Iran has demonstrated a clear aspiration to conduct a retaliatory strike on the U.S. mainland, with a specific focus on the West Coast, utilizing drone technology. One section of the alert we examined mentions an uncorroborated piece of intelligence suggesting that leaders of Mexican cartels had given authorization for attacks using weaponized drones. This highlights a known and concerning capability that exists right on our border. The separate, specific alert regarding Iran indicates they harbor the same ambitions to employ this tactic. For some time, U.S. intelligence has broadly acknowledged the potential for drones to be used against the homeland. We are acutely aware of Iran's heavy reliance on drone warfare in the current conflict, which is now entering its second week. In fact, these very weapons were responsible for the tragic deaths of the first 6 American service members in this recent escalation. Now, the FBI is taking the unprecedented step of specifically warning Pacific coastline agencies in California that Iran is actively aspiring to bring that fight to the West. That's a critical distinction. But what makes California, and the West Coast, in general, the focal point of this potential threat? That is the central question, and the answer remains somewhat unclear based on the intelligence we have. However, analysts have put forward a couple of key theories. One prominent thought is that Iran may have pre-positioned these drone systems on vessels currently operating in international waters. These ships could potentially loiter offshore, launching attacks from a distance without ever entering U.S. jurisdiction. Furthermore, we have previously reported on Iran's long-stated desire to potentially activate sleeper cells within the United States. It's crucial to emphasize that this remains largely unconfirmed and is far from an operational reality as far as current law enforcement knowledge is concerned. So, while the why West Coast isn't explicitly detailed in the bulletin, the combination of potential maritime deployment and historical aspirations for covert action are likely driving factors behind the FBI's urgent and specific warning to California.